Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
सुखी रहो बच्चों। चलो वार्म अप से शुरुआत करते हैं। कुछ वर्ड्स देख लो, दो तीन क्या देख रहे हो। एक वर्ड है ऑपरेशन। मैथ में भी सर लोग बोलते होंगे देयर आर 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस इन मैथमेटिक्स। 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस, 4 मौलिक कार्य। 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस। कभी कभी सुनते होंगे मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन, पुलिस ऑपरेशन, अभियान। और कभी कभी सुनते होंगे कि डॉक्टर ने राम का ऑपरेशन किया। डॉक्टर ने राम का ऑपरेशन किया। कैसे बोलोगे इंग्लिश में? आराम से बोलोगे कि द डॉक्टर हैज ऑपरेटेड राम, जो 16 आने गलत हो। क्या बोलेंगे? द डॉक्टर हैज ऑपरेटेड ऑन राम। ऑपरेट जो वर्ब है, शल्य चिकित्सा करना, चीर फाड़ की चिकित्सा करना, उसको इंट्रांजिटिवली उसका यूज करें। ठीक, तो एक शब्द हो गया ऑपरेशन, शल्य क्रिया, अभियान। 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस, गतिविधियां, मौलिक गणितीय कार्य, ये सब ऑपरेशन शब्द के अर्थ। अब देखो उसके ठीक नीचे में एक वर्ड है ऑपरेशन। इसको समझ, एक क्वेश्चन आंसर है अभी, जिसमें अगर आप उस शब्द को कंटेक्चुअल मीनिंग इसीलिए कहते हैं, क्वेश्चन में जो वर्ड्स हैं, आंसर में जो वर्ड्स हैं, आपने अगर उसके मीनिंग को फील नहीं किया, सिंपली इम्पॉसिबल कि आप उस आंसर को रिटेन कर सकेंगे लंबी अवधि के लिए। तो ये सब देखो ऑपरेशन। अब ये ऑपरेशन शब्द क्या है? इसका अर्थ होता है, याद रखना, और बहुत शब्द बन जाएंगे। ऑपरेशन, ऑपरेस्टो, ऑपरेशन। 2 P हमेशा लिखना, 2 S हमेशा। ऑपरेशन का अर्थ होता है दमन, किसी को यातना देना, यातना देने का कार्य ऑपरेशन। दमन, दमित करना, दबाना, यातना देना। टू ऑपरेस्ट वर्ब हो गया, और दो ऑपरेस्ट। ऑपरेस्ट शब्द का क्या अर्थ हो गया? दमित, जिन्हें दबाया गया है, दमित। ऑपरेशन, ऑपरेस्ट, ऑपरेस्ट, ऑपरेस्ट। सारे वर्ड्स में 2 R देंगे, 2 S। एक तीसरा वर्ड है ऑब्लिगेशन। सब लोग बोलते भी हो दैनिक जीवन में, करे उनका मुझ पे बहुत बड़ा ऑब्लिगेशन, उपकार। लेकिन उससे भी अधिक इंपॉर्टेंट जो उसका मीनिंग होता है ऑब्लिगेशन का, वो है कि यू आर मोरली बाउंड टू do it. You shall have to do it because the law of your society, the law of your country speaks so, says so. आपके समाज का कानून इसे करता है। It is obligatory to you. ये आपको करना पड़ेगा। यह नैतिक दायित्व है आपका, यह कानूनी दायित्व है आपका। ऑब्लिगेशन, जैसे आप अपने पेरेंट्स की देखभाल करते हैं, एक मोरल ऑब्लिगेशन है आपका। आप अपने सोसाइटी, कंट्री के लिए कुछ कहते हैं, ये मोरल ऑब्लिगेशन है आपका। आप जाकर टैक्स अदा करते हो, ये फाइनेंशियल ऑब्लिगेशन है आपका। ठीक है, ऑब्लिगेशन 2 अर्थ में। एक अर्थ हो गया कि उपकार, इससे बहुत अधिक इंपॉर्टेंट मीनिंग है इसका ये कि आपका कानूनी दायित्व
नैतिक दायित्व, ऑब्लिगेशन। ठीक है, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हिंदी में, आपने देखा या नहीं ऐसा कैप्शन किसी आर्टिकल का, गांधी और अहिंसा, अहिंसा और गांधी जी, इस तरह का शीर्षक रह सकता है या नहीं? आराम से खूब रहता है, सत्य के प्रयोग और गांधी जी। उसी तरह से आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे नेल्सन मंडेला एंड फ्रीडम, फ्रीडम एंड नेल्सन मंडेला। आपके इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में फ्रीडम के अराउंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं। मैंने सारे क्वेश्चंस यहां नहीं लिखे हैं, लेकिन वो सारे क्वेश्चंस इस कैप्शन में, इस हेडिंग में आ जाएगा, नेल्सन मंडेला फ्रीडम, फ्रीडम है नेल्सन मंडेला। जैसे पहला आपका क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ डिड मंडेला फ्रीडम फॉर हंगर, हाउ डिड मंडेला हंगर फॉर फ्रीडम चेंज हिज लाइफ, एनिमेट हिज लाइफ, हाउ डिड मंडेला's hunger for freedom change his life। तो एक सेकेंड, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ डज मंडेला's अंडरस्टैंड, हाउ डिड मंडेला's अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम चेंज विथ एज एंड एक्सपीरियंस। एक क्वेश्चन है इसी लेसन में आपको, मंडेला टॉक्स अबाउट ट्रांजिटरी फ्रीडम and basic and honorable freedom। एक क्वेश्चन है twin obligations के अराउंड, what are man's twin obligations, how did Nelson Mandela join African National Congress। तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो फ्रीडम के अराउंड हैं। और एक क्वेश्चन और हम लोगों ने रख दिया कि डज मंडेला थिंक द दमन करता, द ऑपरेशन, दूसरे को दुख देने वाला, दूसरे को एक्सप्लॉइट करने वाला, दूसरे को हर्ट करने वाला इज फ्री। Does Mandela think that the oppressor is free? Why or why? ठीक है, तो let me tell you a few words, few lines about freedom. Okay? Freedom is as essential as bread. Let me repeat it. Imbibe it. Freedom is as essential as bread. Man cannot live with bread alone. Freedom is as essential as bread. No man can realize his physical, mental, emotional, and above all, a spiritual potential without true freedom. Freedom is as essential as bread. No man can realize his physical potential, his mental potential, his emotional potential, and above all, his spiritual potential if he is not granted true freedom. Freedom is so important for our ultimate flowering. Well, friends, your question number 1 is Mandela sir says that my hunger for freedom animated my life. My hunger, Mandela says that his hunger for freedom animated his life. उनके जिंदगी में सैकड़ों रंग भरे, उनकी इस चाहत ने फ्रीडम के लिए, उनकी तरफ, इट एनिमेटेड हिज हंगर फॉर फ्रीडम, एनिमेटेड हिज लाइफ।
It changed his life. This hunger for freedom ultimately made him a world-class statesman, Rajneta, not a tuchha politician of our times. His hunger for freedom ultimately made him a world-class leader, a world-class statesman, a visionary leader, a great visionary of our time, a great humanist of our time. His hunger for freedom ultimately made him a world-class statesman, a great humanist of our time, a great visionary of our time. Yes, it is a different thing that he had to pay a price for that. He had to spend 3 decades of his life in prison. Yes, of course. But ultimately it didn't made him. People around him must have forced him to become the first ever black president of South Africa. Anyway, so once again I slowly tell you the answer. If freedom is as essential as bread, no human being can realize his physical, mental, emotional, and above all, spiritual potential without freedom. Nelson Mandela says that his hunger for freedom has animated his life. This hunger for freedom, or it ultimately made him a world-class leader, a world-class statesman, a great visionary of our time, a great humanist of our time. And ultimately, he was sworn in as the first ever black president of South Africa after the installation of first ever democratic and non-racial government in South Africa. Not only that, only today, yes, today I got reminded that he was the co-winner of the Nobel Prize for Peace with H.W.D. Clark. Then in 1993, he was conferred on Nobel Prize for Peace with H.W.D. Clark in 1993. Then Mr. Clark was the president of South Africa, and in 1994, he was sworn in as the first ever black president of South Africa. So it all happened because of his free hunger for it. It all happened. So he says that his hunger for freedom has animated his life. एनिमेशन फिल्म, यहाँ पर एनिमेट का भाव हुआ कि कैसे उनके जीवन को भरा पूरा बनाया, कैसे उनके जीवन में इस हंगर में सैकड़ों रंग भरे. And let me tell you one very important thing. Statesman means Rajneta, and politician means Rajnitijna. There is a great difference between a statesman and a politician. A politician is always worried about the next election, and the statesman's sole concern is the future of the next generation. That's the difference. He was not a politician, he was a statesman. Okay? Now, Mandela's understanding of freedom changed with age and experience. Mandela's
The answer of the first question has been done. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change, animate his life? Well, the second question is Mandela's understanding of freedom changed with age and experience. And Mandela must have been a very honest soul. He himself admits that he was not born with a hunger for freedom. He must have been an honest soul. He himself admits that he was not born with a hunger for freedom. Because as a child, he had all the freedoms a child of his age could think of, dreamed of, aspire for. He had all the freedoms. He was free to run, he was free to swim, he was free to ride the broad back of a bullock, he was free to roast millets, bhutta bhun kar khane ki स्वतंत्रता थी. He was free to swim in the river, passing through his village. He was free to run, wander, roam in the fields, close to his mother's hut. So he had all the freedoms in a child. But later on, he came to realize that it was a transitory. Later on, we will discuss. Now, what happened? As a student, his imagination about freedom was to have the freedom of wandering, to have the freedom of reading a book one likes, only that much. So, as a child and as a young student, he didn't know the true meaning of freedom. He didn't know the true value of freedom. But of course, he was acquainted with transitory freedom, but he knew nothing about the basic and honorable. He came to know about real freedom only when he grew young. He talks about twin obligations. He said that everybody in a lawful and human society has to fulfill two obligations, two jaruri kartavyaj, two naitik kartavyaj, two essential obligations. Our first obligation is towards our family, parents, children, wife, and our second obligation is to our society, to our people, to our country. So, as a young man, when Mandela tried to fulfill his twin obligations, he came to realize that not only he, but everybody who looked like him were totally deprived of anything called freedom. It was a shocking realization for him that millions of black people in South Africa were forced to live in poverty, were forced to live a life of deprivation, humiliation. They didn't have any freedom to realize their potency. And then ultimately, and so he decided to join African National Congress, and he started his struggle for the abolition of apartheid in his country. He had to suffer great miseries, he had to suffer great atrocities, he had to suffer great humiliations.
How horrible it sounds that somebody had to spend 3 decades of his life in prison. And ultimately, he became a Nobel laureate. He became the first black president of South Africa. So, these were introductory remarks around Nelson Mandela freedom. Freedom है नेल्सन मंडेला. आपको इसकी फ्लावरिंग खुद से करनी है. ये सब इंट्रोडक्टरी रिमार्क्स थे, तब भी आपको बहुत कुछ एहसास हुआ होगा. हार्वर्ड मंडेला hunger for freedom animates his life, changed his life. Freedom for hunger made him a world-class statesman, made him a great visionary, made him a great humanist. It made him a Nobel laureate. It made him the president of South Africa. The second question is his understanding of freedom changes with age and experience. He knew nothing about deprivation. As a child, he had all the freedoms. As a student, he didn't endure the sting and stigma of deprivation. But when he grew young and he wished to fulfill his twin obligations, then he came to realize that because of apartheid, millions of black people were leading their life like animals. They were tortured, they were deprived, they were forced to live in poverty, they were exploited in a number of ways. And then he joined African National Congress in 1942. The first ever democratic election, democratic and non-racial election was held in South Africa, and he became his party born. He became the first ever black president. And now one more question. Look here, it's a very important question. Does Mandela think the operation? Does Mandela think that the operation is free? My dear friends, an operation, the operation may appear to us, may seem to us happier and mightier than an operist. The operation may appear to us the operation may appear to us mighty, happier than the operist. But the reality is to the contrary. Only he can be happy who gives happiness to others. A man who hurts others, a man who exploits others, a man who humiliates others can never be happy in the truest sense of this word. Both the operation and the operist alike are robbed of their humanity. Freedom is something indivisible. Not only the operist is an unfortunate being, but the oppressor is also a prisoner of his hatred, his narrow-mindedness. Only a great statesman like Mandela could think so. Mandela said that both the oppressor and the oppressed need freedom. If the oppressed is a captive of the oppressor, the oppression is also the prisoner of his own prejudices, his own narrow-mindedness, his own hatred. He is behind the bars. He is like a prisoner behind the bars of hatred, prejudices, narrow-mindedness. He also needs freedom. We can have true happiness only if we allow others to have it. And oppressor must not feel that he is free. He is as captive as the oppressed. ठीक है, सारे क्वेश्चन। और 28 को जो तुम्हारा एग्जाम है, आज मैं भूल गया, कल से सबसे पहले एग्जाम की बात करूंगा। 22 तक मैं आपको, जैसे सप्लीमेंट्री में आपके 4 लेसन हो चुके हैं, तो मैं आपके मेन कोर्स बुक में भी 4th लेसन तक पढ़ा चुका रहूंगा। बीच में 2 पोएम भी आ जाएगा और 4th जो प्रोज पीस है वहां तक मैं पढ़ा चुका रहूंगा। ये बात मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं। और प्रत्येक लेसन से क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये ठीक है कि इस लेसन से थोड़ा अधिक 5-7 नंबर रहेगा क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा लेसन है। एवरी लेसन इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। सबसे क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे। तो आप जो बच्चे 10 बच्चे मुझसे तेज चलते हो सकता है कि मैं जो पढ़ा वीडियोज अपलोड करूं, पोस्ट करूं, उससे पहले ही आप कर लें। इसलिए ध्यान रखेंगे दोनों बुक में लेसन 4 तक, मेन कोर्स बुक में भी लेसन 4 अपना टारगेट है। बीच में 2 पोएम्स भी आएंगे, वो हम लोग कर लेंगे। हैव अ नाइस डे। ईश्वर आपको सुखी रखे।